Year of Bitcoin's fifth halving, nothing will be like before. Blockchain's technology has impacted on all aspects of human being. Governments and centralized systems are fighting to survive in a greater and greater decentralized and fair world. But no one could have seen it coming. In a lost place of Binance Smart Chain, a group of charming but powerful digital monsters, well known as Binemons, would make the difference between the victory and defeat.
An artist impression by Root Zone. So, welcome to Root Zone, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And today, I'm going to bring on Mr. Loon. Hi, Loon. Oh, Loon is on fire today with Bitcoin. The bull, to usher the bull.
Yeah, I hope you guys bought during the dip, during when it's 30K. Wow, today you'll be dancing like me.
I'm going through FOMO. Seriously, after seeing that.
Don't FOMO.
Don't FOMO. Yeah. So today, guys, in the news, let me share my screen. We have Binemon. I hope I pronounced it correct. So it's an NFT game. Now, this game has been, still attracting tons of curiosity among the blockchain game community by its impressive achievement in a very short time period. What's even more surprising is that they are able to make a bold move when acquiring Draken .exchange, a part of DRK chain ecosystem, to exclusively serve their players. Now, according to the analysis done for more than 2 weeks after the launch of Chapter 1 Prometheus, Binemon has recorded over 300,000 sold eggs, 24,100 active wallets, and over 1.1 million of transactions made on DRK chain. These astounding figures display a huge potential for a new project that is on track to become the second unicorn in the field of play to earn. In the third day of Binemon's AMA event, the team has shared with the community about the acquisition agreement of Draken .exchange in every aspect. The acquisition decision seemed to be made based on their desire to obtain the technology of Draken by providing such things as cross-chain, anonymous smart contract, DEX, swap V2, farming, staking, lending, to combine with the NFT game to create a whole new concept called finance game, or hashtag GameFi. How is this acquisition benefiting players of Binemon? Draken .exchange is known as a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, which means all transactions and user information are stored and processed on smart contracts. DRK chain smart contracts, to be more specific. This operating mechanism enables advantages of decentralization movement, such as no registration and KYC required, nearly zero transaction fee, fast trading, deposit, withdrawal, always secured and anonymous. Over 1 week before the acquisition was announced, trading volume, total value locked, TVL, Draken Exchange had significantly increased more than $2.5 million to meet the liquidity demand from the play-to-earn game in the coming time. Now, the goal of Binemon team through the acquisition of Draken Exchange is an all-in-one DeFi product that assembles all essential features to be seen in the DeFi movement, is to help their players get familiar with the crypto world and hence optimize their profit. Meanwhile, Binemon will be enabled to diversify their business portfolio in the future. Now, to sum it up, Draken Exchange is surely not still not big in the industry, but through their functioning products and upsurge of NFT game, this combination of sustaining Binemon in its long journey is well prepared. In no time, Binemon will release their PvP game mode with many existing features displayed in brilliant internet meme-inspired 3D graphics, and is promised to be one of the prominent NFT game in the market.
Awesome. These days, the gaming NFTs are booming.
Booming! My God!
My God.
So,
this Pokemon NFT.
yeah.
Gone
Good.
case. Do you know that Marvel coming out with NFT?
Wow.
The first release was Spider-Man and it's already sold out already. The pre-launch already gone already. You cannot buy any. No more.
And look at the features what they are supporting: farming, swapping, DX.
Yeah. Yeah, this is going to be a
we should
game
all
changer.
go inside and form a clan.
Yeah, form a clan, play hard, make money on the side, sell the NFTs. Loon, we used to play this in Ultima Online.
Yeah, time for us to form a clan with Lauren.
We should form a clan. Maybe, if you don't mind, maybe we can form a Root Zones clan, right, on Binemon, and have everyone together. We venture.
Steady later after this we go and sign up.
We go. Wow.
No need think like a sound only. Yeah.
See, this is the spirit of Loon in a Loon being a bull. So Manish, I'm going to hand this over to you. Are you going to show us how to actually purchase?
Yeah, I'm going to show this how to purchase. Apart from this, I'm also going to show something about DRK as well.
Awesome. So while Manish sets that up, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Manish, back to you.
All right, so
wow.
Let's go to the home first. Okay, so Binemon, how you can buy it? The first thing is you have to connect your, you have to create your account first. Without creating account, you'll not be able to buy it. So creating account is very straightforward. You come here, register your mail ID. You will get a verification code. You have to accept it, and once you log in, you will be getting this button called Connect Wallet. And as of now, they are only allowing to connect with MetaMask. No other wallets are allowed as of now. Just click here, next, connect. Once you are connected, and if you have Ethereum balance, you'll be able to buy the NFT here. And look at the NFTs, the creative. And probably they'll be the character from the games. I think those who like the characters, they might need, they probably consider buying it and play and earn some benefits.
So do you know how this NFT works? It's by rarity. That means that last time we used to play card games, Magic the Gathering. So the computer algorithm will generate certain rare spawns, so rare cards or rare animals or rare characters in this case. So the rare characters, you have to play the game to actually earn those rare characters.
Yeah, this is A, B, C, D. You can see the rank here.
That's
and then you have a classes called fighter, tanker, support, mage, archer, breed. Dog is there, cat is there, titan is there. So whichever is your favorite character's favorite class, stage, rank, you can select and you can buy it over and invest in NFTs. Buying is very straightforward. You should have Ethereum in your MetaMask, and you'll be able to buy it. And probably they also allow the earn these NFTs using the game, I think. If you don't want to invest using money, you play the game, and after certain coins, you will be able to
To
redeem
convert,
any of.
to
Yeah.
purchase it.
More, I think, is you go and hunt, go and play the game. They give you free characters. Then from there you earn eggs. Then from the eggs you crack the eggs to get a random chance of getting.
Yes,
NFT.
yes.
Wow.
If you see the eggs here, you will earn the eggs, and you have to crack the eggs. Then probably there'll be some surprise item waiting for you.
Wow, so fun, man, guys.
Yeah, and
Manish,
then
how much is it in Ethereum? Did they put the price there?
price they have not put
They
in.
never put,
but
huh?
I
It's
can
by,
find out. No,
DRK,
CoinGecko.
It's from
Let's
DRK.
see the price here. It's
Oh my god, it's less than what? 3 cents.
It's DRT. DRK, right? DRK.
DRK, yeah.
DRK, is it?
Yeah, DRK, yes.
Oh, DRK is over here. DRK, no, this I'm talking about Binemon NFTs.
Yeah, Binemon, they use
They use
130
DRK, right?
Yeah,
DRK.
they use DRK. They use here also. If you see that this is a DRK, right?
Yeah, DRK.
Mm.
So 130 DRK is, one DRK is what? 3 cents?
3 cents.
Right, just now, would you mind going back to the previous screen, Manish?
Yeah.
CoinGecko.
CoinGecko.
So
DRK, 3 cents, yes, 3 cents.
So what?
USD.
130 divided by 0.03.
times 130 times, it means $3.
Mm.
3
bucks.
USD.
3 USD.
3.3 $3 and $4.20. 130 is $4.20.
And probably if you have a DRK also, using the DRK, you will be able to buy this Binemon NFTs.
Wow.
So let me show you also how you can buy this DRK. DRK currently is listed on Hobbit. It's listed on Hobbit, and if you do not have a Hobbit exchange account, then what you can do is, again, you can buy it using MetaMask. Probably I'll show you right away how you can buy it. But before that, just to let you know what is DRK. DRK is consensus, is upgraded from proof of stake of Ethereum 2.0 into proof of honor, following the footstep of other multi-billionaire projects such as Ton by Telegram and Quorum by JP Morgan. The rationale behind your choice of Ethereum 2.0 is because Ethereum 2.0 is optimized for utilities and supported by the largest, strongest community of developers around the world. We further upgrade the POS consensus to Ethereum 2.0 proof of honor, which use Hodge rank to rank nodes based on the amount of stake and the amount of transactions of encourage the app developer to serve as many users, generate as many transactions as possible. In the comparison, it is much more advanced than proof of importance, which is POI of NEM. And yeah, so proof of honors also adopt an advanced incentive systems to eliminate all cheating, slacking miners to preserves of longevity of the blockchain network, and adopt the smart fee gas policy called gas stations, which is more advanced than a Tron. Tron, you might have heard about it. Tron,
Right.
to make blockchain transactions cheaper while evenly anti-spam and incentivize to the miners. So this is about the DRK coin. Let me walk you through how you can buy the DRK coin. You have already seen the pricing here. The first way is, if you have a Hobbit account, you can just straight away transfer some USDT, and then using that, you'll be able to buy it. If you do not have Hobbit exchange account, you can straight away go to the DRK wallet. First, you go to DRK exchange. The moment you will go to the DRK swap exchange, it will prompt you to connect your MetaMask. You can see here, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so it will prompt you to connect from MetaMask. It's already connected. I'm already connected to MetaMask now. Let me cancel this first.
Oh, so you are saying that there's a different way to purchase this DRK?
Yes, there is a different way to purchase the.
Ah,
And that's how you cash out also. You sell your NFT in DRK, And from DRK, you convert, you swap with any
Yeah.
USDT.
Swap
So
back
as
to
you can
Ether
see,
or
now we are
USDT.
connecting to a Draken exchange already with a MetaMask signature. Sign in. Once you sign in, you'll be able to connect here with your account. You need either Ethereum to buy this, or if you have a BNB, what you can do here, come to this one. Not this one, sorry. Hold on. Yeah, you come to this screen, DRK wallet. You buy your BNB deposit. Click on a deposit. Copy here from a Binance. You'll be able to transfer here, and then come to DRK exchange here. And then if you have a BNB, you'll be able to see your BNB. Select max. Select the amount of DRK you want to buy it, and just click on a buy. You'll be able to buy it.
Manish, a quick question. Is this wallet belongs to me?
No, yeah, the wallet, your MetaMask is the wallet. This is just an exchange.
Oh,
so
this
your,
is just an exchange.
Yeah, once you buy it over, it'll go and start showing in your MetaMask. Because it's connected, you can see here it's connected to our this exchange, Darren exchange. So there is two way to buy it, this DRK cryptos. One is Hobbit, and second one directly from this Draken.exchange, this URL, using your MetaMask.
Awesome.
That's all I have it.
Yeah, wow, Loon. I mean, yeah, maybe share a bit on, you was talking about the NFTs and how typically gaming, you are very familiar in the gaming. Maybe share with us.
Yeah.
So for this NFT for gaming, most of the you can earn the NFTs and then you can sell the NFT or how you get the money.
Right.
And then there's two ways your coins in circulation will grow in price because the more they use, the more price. The more the price will grow. So
we probably want to learn from
games,
you, Loon. The gaming thing and
Loon
buying,
has been in the gaming
NFT.
industry for quite some time. He started very early. So I think
myself and Wayne also have a very nice setup, the gaming setup down here. Even Wayne also has it, and then probably we can explore that and try to earn.
Yeah. You can be our lead, our chief, because Loon is someone who understands game mechanics. So like how in crypto there's token mechanics, for Loon is game mechanics. So when he understands that game mechanics, he normally in our community of friends who play games online, he's the champ.
Oh really?
Yeah, I just spend a lot of time gaming. I spend a lot of time.
But I really like this GameFi. They call it now GameFi, meaning it's an NFT with game, and it's a game financial, means play to earn.
See,
it's a very good
earlier
way,
I did not. Yeah, tell me.
It's a very good way to get young people interested. Very simple, and we are already 40 plus.
No, even we are old, right? Earlier I was, even now also I'm not interested for the game. But if it's a money or NFT or crypto attached with it, I mean,
yeah. So it's a very good way to get young people interested and young people into the space. Imagine right now we are 40 years old, but I can just tell my son, 9-year-old son, to start playing, and then he have NFT. That's how all the new generation of millionaires come from. They start young. No, we are already what we do now is just for them. So right now I'm going to play a bit, then I call my son to play. Very simple.
So your son will be the mining.
For you.
A different way of sweatshop. Get the kids to mine, and then we just convert this into DRK convert to Ethereum.
You get the eggs,
my son
eggs
is not
will crack it.
Talented person. Yeah. But he likes to play, he likes to read. So okay lah. He cannot create art, so if he can create NFT, definitely a rich man, but no. So never mind, he go and farm. He be the farmer, catch all the eggs.
Yeah, so I'm actually quite excited to see how this will go. Maybe after the show, Manish, we will discuss on buying some DRK while the market is not high yet. We are still in the bull. We are coming up.
Just buy 1K, just pop, close one eye and go.
Close one eye. That's it. We have all this, and then we can actually buy the NFT game. Awesome.
Yeah.
So
let's go ahead first.
Let's see what's gonna happen in the news today. Amazing
Today,
time.
I
Look
don't
at
want to
this,
see.
guys.
I don't want to see that. My God.
See,
Look at that.
Manish, you gotta see. Look at the greed.
Oh
Oh my
my
God.
God.
First time.
First time. First
In
time
the last
ever
2
we
months.
started exploring crypto. I have seen these stats.
Right. And you know, so look at this. We were here, it was, you know, a lot of fear in the market. Today it's fear of missing out, right? The narrative has changed, the news is supporting that. So extreme fear, of course, can be a sign that investors are too worried, so it becomes buying opportunities when it's low. Don't get panicked by the news. And when investors get too greedy, it could be due for a market correction. So over in the stock market, everything's usual. I'm not going to talk much about the stock market. We'll cover that later when Loon speaks a bit about the crashing dollar and the zero interest rates and things to come in the near future. Looking at the stock market
Wow.
side of things, of course, today we are
Look at the
close.
Ethereum color, man. Nothing can be darker than this, man.
Another opportunity, guys, is gold. Gold has dropped a bit due to the rising of stocks and even in the crypto space. So it's again for gold and silver, it creates buying opportunities. Of course, it's a hedge that we use in the traditional market. Of course, in the new market, what is seen as Bitcoin is the new gold 2.0. And this, my friends, is one of the best colors we have seen so far. Very dark, 6%. So let's see how the market cap is doing. Today we have $1.7 trillion. Yesterday I covered we were close to 1.6. We are going to hit 1.8, slightly short of a 2.2 trillion where Bitcoin was at the height of 64,000. So we are getting there and the bull is coming. With a Bitcoin dominance is 45% and Ethereum is 20%. We still have about 11,179 cryptos and 391 exchanges. Now, in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up by 6.04. Ethereum is up by 11.12. USDT is slightly up by 0.04. BNB coin is up by 4.58. Cardano is up by 5.33. XRP is up by 6.18. Dogecoin is up by 10.08. USD break-even. Polkadot up by 5.27. And our favorite Solana is up by 4.2.
Oh my God, look at that. This is also FOMO for me.
Right.
30, you know, it was 30 just couple of days back.
There's couple of days was 30. In fact, before that also, Manish, we actually seen the low of $23 if I'm not mistaken. Today, Solana is climbing. So looking on the right hand side, 7 days, you can see it's all bullish. So a lot of the narratives will be fear of missing out, right? That's how money flows into the market. Of course, in the last 7 days, if you look, Bitcoin has risen for 4%, Ethereum 25%, BNB 6%, Cardano 10%, XRP 3%, Doge 5%, Polkadot 27%. So that's good news for all of us.
Polkadot was drastically down also.
For which one?
Polkadot was
Yeah.
going drastically down from past couple of months.
Right.
So I think it required a recovery.
Right.
So it did well, yeah.
Today was a pretty good news for these two winners for me personally. Polkadot and Uniswap making money as they start to climb.
Today cake is going up like anything.
My God, I miss cake. Soon our documentary will be out. So anyways, yeah, speaking about cake, guys, if you are actually connected to Trust Wallet, as what Manish showed with the DRK, make sure you always log off. Don't keep them locked. So that's just a security advice there. Now let's see what's happening on the technical charts. Bitcoin again smashed through the roof. In a 4 hours chart, let me zoom in a bit for you guys.
Look at the chart, man. My God.
Yeah, so 4 hours, really nice run up. We had a very nice usher from the 21st of July where we had the B word in one of our videos covering Jack Dorsey, Cathy Woods and Elon Musk. And after that, the bull came and we had some downs, but as you can see, it's a rising star. That is on the 4 hours. Now on the 1 day chart, you can even see it's really bullish, a lot of green volume coming in, less red, of course, to bring the prices down, but we are back up. So in the next couple of days, we will see whether this continues to have support at the 40,000. And of course, we are expecting the red line to cross the yellow line in mid of August, called the Golden Cross. Of course, if you look at the rainbow, if you're not too sure on the technicalities, this is a way to hodl, meaning you still can buy and hold. As what Root Zones has done, 50% of our portfolio is Bitcoin, and the other 50 or 40-10 is all the altcoins. And we are holding Bitcoin as what the CEO of MicroStrategy says. What is his name? Michael Saylor always
Michael
say that
Saylor.
that is the Manhattan land. So that's something that he has invested. Maybe let me just show you. MicroStrategy CEO still holds 105,000 Bitcoin, followed by Tesla, Galaxy, Voyage, and Square. Square, I believe, is by Jack Dorsey. So he holds 5th place with 8,000 Bitcoin.
Oh, Jack Dorsey holds
Square Inc.
owns
also.
that Square Inc.
Yeah, Square Inc. His part. I'm not too sure whether he's the CEO. We have to check that. But he's one of the founding fathers also for Square Inc. So total hash rate, of course, we are climbing. So that's also another good news, another sign. And we are coming to November upgrade for Taproot. So as the China miners are coming in and settling, and plus North America is stepping up, we will hopefully come back to the same rise which we were when Bitcoin was at its height. The other thing is transactions. Also, you can see a very nice, it's coming up. So something to look forward to. We are hoping that one day we'll see the transactions happening at a 400k. So that's all I have, guys. Thank you. So Lun, how's the Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is doing great, partly due to the crash in the stock market in China. You know what's happening in China, right?
What happened? Tell us.
China, Didi is the Uber of China, or the Grab of China.
Oh.
Yeah, so they want to be listed in the Nasdaq in the US. So China say fuck you. Sorry. China said no. Chop. So they went to, I think they go and find fault with Didi. Then the whole thing, everybody start dumping. Then now, currently, they go after tuition centers.
Wow.
China says you cannot use foreign teachers to teach other languages. Simple as that. Then all the big companies, all the really big companies, all got affected. So they're all laying off stuff, and their stocks fell because people know. So they just dump. And then when people dump money, where the money go to?
Out.
Bitcoin.
Out of the China country.
Yeah, this is what China is going to do. China is controlling everything, and then they want absolute control. So that's what's happening.
Wow.
Also, Marvel selling off NFT. Starting to sell NFT. Spider-Man.
Marvel is coming off with the NFTs, is it?
Yeah,
Okay, Marvel.
Marvels
and all those.
All this crazy and all that before they come
People
out.
will
Really
buy like
pre-sold
a crazy, Marvels and all.
That's why I say if ever Nintendo get to do Pokemon NFT, and definitely they will, I can guarantee you will want to spend the money, man.
Manish, I think we should start now acquiring cash.
Yeah.
Hordes of cash and prepare for the gaming industry.
You need to use the cash to buy Bitcoin, and from Bitcoin then you buy the NFT.
Good ideas. Good idea.
It's crazy, and that's why I was saying all the NFT programs, all the NFT games, is helping all the newcomers into the space. All the kids that are in school right now can get into crypto by doing all these things, just by playing. And then they'll get playing. There are no friends, and they say, okay, how do I sell this egg, for example? They say, okay, go to this their own option place, the market site. Then from there, or how do I get the money? You must create the MetaMask wallet. You will link it up to the account.
Right.
Yeah, this all is all there already. The foundation is all there, and then from there they can just create and go. There's a lot of programs right now that does the same thing. A lot of new apps that actually help you to create NFT.
Right.
It's just crazy and it's nuts. We are a bit old already, you know.
Yeah, probably we'll cover one day that how to create NFT. I know also. So one day I'll just show you how.
And second thing I want to talk about is about inflation.
Yeah,
inflation is just around the corner. It's already here. All right, in the US, is the gas prices is a 7-year high. There's gas shortage, there's manpower shortage, there's food shortage, medicine shortage. Is crazy, man.
Wow.
It's not that people it's not that there's no money to spend, just people don't want to work. Why? Because the government is giving them more money to stay at home than to go and work. Shops have to be closed down because they have no staff. Not because of lockdown, no. Because they cannot find people. And you can see now in Singapore, same thing as well. You go and see all the help wanted, all the restaurants. Everybody is trying to find help, find workers. Couldn't find. Right? You know, they need more money, man.
Yep.
Yeah, so this is happening in Singapore also. After COVID, my wife was telling me, inflation, all the prices will go up. Confirm.
Yeah, I mean, definitely. We expect at least, like GST or certain ways to recover back what we have lost since COVID started in 2020. So that's something that we will see. But one thing is good that at least during this time, actually, it gave birth to the crypto space. Where even in Singapore, it's a lot of people are actually trading.
Yeah, a lot of people are trading actually.
Yeah.
It's a good and bad thing. But we are savvy, so we can see and we can prepare. A lot of people cannot prepare. A lot of people are still
struggling
fearful.
to transfer money itself.
They're very fearful of crypto. It's like, why crypto is so scary? What's so scary about crypto? It's just you go and click and buy on it. You don't understand.
No. You know why they are feeling scary, right? For each transaction, when they have to pay $1 or $2, right? They feel many people feel that they are not comfortable just losing money in the transactions.
Yeah, we have a lot of people who actually take transaction into consideration for investments, but looking at the percentage, I mean that
people like you and me know the percentage, the growth what we are going to get it. But initially when a people comes, right, they start with $10, $20 and then see that.
Yeah, because you can't blame them, Manish, for a very simple reason. We were trained to think that way in the old traditions. If you look at even if you look on a 30 days, just take a 1 month. You see, why would we ever want to count percentage?
Yeah. That's what people has to understand this.
Right. Transactions.
Right. Like you see, recently you put a bone for staking, right? And we lost of Ethereum.
Yeah. That one was a con job, Manish.
That was a con job. But similar to that, people thinks that at a point when they transfer money and then see when the wallet when it reached to a wallet, it say that I lost this much.
Right.
So that gives, then they are having a hard time by transferring money also. Though now it's very flexible transferring money from a bank account buying a cryptos.
Yeah.
But still people are struggling. I've seen that.
And even if they didn't know, and they don't need to have expert tell them. They can just get on CoinHako, they can get on Binance SG and just buy the coin.
Buy the coin.
Right. And Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, of course this is not financial advice, but they can get on that. They don't need to go to the level that we are going.
At least for many times what we invest is we try to learn first. Before we make money, right? We want to learn first. Like look at that, many things we have explored, staking, swapping, baking, multiple terms we have.
Right. And this knowledge, Manish, we now, slowly we are in the crypto space, but now maybe we are moving into the gaming industry as an offshoot of the crypto, and that is where there's fun and entertainment and learning and earning and
Binance earn features. Each and every feature we have tested out. We have tested it out. We know which one can make money, which one cannot. At least.
Yeah.
And yes,
I find that people are just holding too tightly to their money. Money is just
yes, that's the right word.
Very good point.
Very good
money comes and go. There's infinite money in the world. You just need to know how to find them. If you hold on too much to what you have, then you will never earn what you not gonna have. See, they hold on too tightly. That's why I tell everybody when I change my mind about my house, my friend asked me why you don't buy the house. You buy the house, you get X amount of money. Okay, I told him I do the math. I buy a house, I cannot sell for 5 years. I need to take a 170,000 loan from the bank. Every month I need to pay $700 to upkeep the loan. Okay, let's say I rent out my property. Rent out property, $2,500 to $3,000 per month, right? Times 12, that's 26K. Times 5 years, 130K. That's if I don't sell anything. correct? If I don't spend the money, okay, that is a 480,000 that I put on there to earn 135k. Okay, but if I put 400k into Bitcoin today, 5 years later, how much will I earn?
Maybe
Let's say
1.2.
Yeah.
1.2.
Very simple. Let's say at that time 30k Bitcoin per Bitcoin, 400k give me 11 Bitcoins. Right? No, 13 Bitcoins. Okay, 13 Bitcoins. At the end of the year, you reach 100k. That's 3x the money.
3x, yeah?
Right, 3x in 1 year.
Mm.
I say you weigh, you go and weigh how much. What's the difference you can see? Furthermore, I'm already stable. I have a good job. I have a wife. My wife got a place to stay. I do not need to actually have a house.
Right.
I have a house because just I earn passive income. But not everybody have the cash to do it.
Right.
To have the initial investment. That's why I say right now all the banks are calling me. Hey, Mr. Ching, you have, you want to take loan or not? We're offering 3+%, 5+%, okay, whatever.
Right.
Yeah. So I just take 5% a year. I give out 5% a year after 5 years. I earn 25%. I confirm can earn back. If I, of course, I don't go and share my people.
Of course.
Go and share my. Go and find for Vietnam butterflies, and of course you don't have lah.
Right.
But if you invest correctly, all right, you manage the risk, then of course you will be able to do it.
Right. Very nice point here.
Very, very important thing that Loon has also pointed out is similar to what.
Yeah. Even in Rich Dad Poor Dad, they have given this example for this renting out the properties or buying the properties. Means their kind of example been taken.
Right. So for those who have not gotten the Rich Dad series, our advice, buy the book because it gives you that clarity like what Loon has specifically done. It's called the velocity of money. The same 100,000. Where do you park this? And how much can you get? And Loon is saying he has to wait 5 years to make that. But today, he can make that in 1 year. And you know, coming back to the crypto space, we have seen that kind of... we are still in the early stage, right, Loon?
Yeah, we're still adopting. When you can see all the banks right now, first of all, the banks are releasing only to the rich and wealthy customers. Right, JP Morgan, whichever bank, I can't remember which bank.
Right.
They just released the 5 crypto products for their customers, and only to the selected customers, not to everybody else.
Right.
Because they think most of the people doesn't know the crypto space. That you can just log on to any exchange with a wallet, and then you can just buy from there. Not go through banks anymore.
Exactly.
A lot of people, 90% of us doesn't know. That is why we need to educate.
I think their customers are mostly the baby boomers. So they're like much more older than us. They are very much like traditional.
I would say that they are those really rich old men, as you say, baby boomers.
Yeah.
They just say, you handle my money for me, like just tell me what you buy. Okay,
that's why the banks charge them a service fee, right?
That's
so even if you look at the
DBS is also
percentage,
charging,
I mean the percentage that we showed like 100% in 1 month, maybe the banks will give them 50% per annum, right?
They give 15%.
Bank percentages are terrible.
Really, they'll give you 15% according to market, whatever. That's why grayscale, grayscale, the shares thing.
Right.
Yeah. So when it was 1 year lock how many shares for Bitcoin.
Right.
Then they give out the 15% premium.
Right.
So people go and buy. And then when they unlock, oh shit, the Bitcoin is not at the price. So they actually, if they sell, it's at a loss.
I'm curious to know what is how's the market for this fixed deposit, this mutual funds?
It's stupidly low. I'm telling you, a 20k deposit, every year they give me 0.02%.
The policies of I don't know those funds policies.
It's stupid, and it's just like, okay, we fix the deposit for how many X amount of years, they give you per annum how much percent, and then percentage for fixed deposit now is crazy, and it's ridiculous.
I've met people who have invested lots of money, and in 2 to 3 years they only made $1,000. $1,000.
Lot
of money.
Yeah.
Why need to invest, man? Simply waste of time, man.
You can't even. It's
nonsense one.
That's why we are for blockchain technology, because it's going to disrupt the financial tradition and put the money back into
saw
the
your
hands
video,
of the
no?
people.
Initially, when you started with the video, that's the line it started.
Yeah, we need to educate people, tell them how you can do it. We are all normal people.
Average working 9 to 5, maybe slightly more. Like when we do projects, And we are trying to find ways to make our traditional money work for us. But even to reach the level of buying a house for rental, there's a road ahead, and most of the financial instrument doesn't take you to that level unless you get a windfall, you strike a lottery. I mean, we're not talking about those. A rich person who passed away and then gave you that wealth. But if put that all aside, if you had to work hard for your money, you would in today's environment, you would take years to actually reach the second home or third home.
Yeah.
Right?
Not only that, your first home also get very hard. Because a lot of people have this phobia of taking loans. They're taking a loan, it's like, oh, every month must pay. Yeah, they never think your money growing at the behind, you cannot see one.
Right.
Imagine I bought 10K at 30,000 Bitcoin. Right now it's at 42. Alright, that's how much percent increase. It's 20% increase. 20% now is 10K is $2,000 within the span of 1 month. You think about it, I give you 5% per year. Right now, okay, 6.88%. Yeah, they're not the crazy numbers. Okay, 6.8%. Within the first month, I already can get back the enough money to actually pay off the interest already.
Right.
Plus the principal if I sell everything. Just hold. And then by the end of the year, it's going to reach one Bitcoin is going to reach 100K end of the month, end of the year.
Right.
And that is 3x.
Exactly.
3x of
Then
your
after
money.
that, you return your principal. Then of course they say, hey, I want to borrow again. Cannot. They sure can. Banks will always say yes. If your credit record is always good, they will say yes. Then from there, I want to increase my limit. I say, okay, I do for you, increase. Then increase, then from there you roll.
Yeah, correct.
A lot of people doesn't understand that. Do not fear the word.
Wow, he given a winning formula already for the cash machine.
Yeah. You need to know that the banks are printing money for free.
Yeah.
Alright, they're offering interest because they know that inflation. They put in the bank, right? They put down there, right? Inflation will eat all the money, right? So they go to charge you interest to offset the inflation, so they earn a bit.
Correct. Right. And plus their management fee.
Yeah.
Right? Their service fee.
Yeah. There's
they will
3%, 3% of 10K, $300. I give you $300. Right. Imagine this is how in the financial world, you first of all, you don't go be a bad credit record. Your bad credit record is very hard to teach you, very hard to work. But from young, you need to know how to maintain a good record. That's what I teach my son. Then from there, when you go old, easy to get loan, especially in Singapore. And from there, you can roll your money.
Right.
Okay? I cannot give you everything I have. I need to my own support for my wife and stuff.
Yeah.
But I can give you some, but you need to work as well. Simple as that.
Right. So for those who are reaching bankruptcy, here in Singapore, we are not financial advisors, just things that we learn across as we go. If in Singapore law, you more than $100,000, you can be filed for bankruptcy, but they will protect the people. Singapore law protects the people. You go on the DRS, it's a debt recovery scheme, and that is one stop before bankruptcy. It differs from different countries, but the best is always to speak to your banks and try to work things out. Because we were not taught financially, we did not have financial mentors in our life, and sometimes the need for instant gratification comes where we take bad debts and actually buy consumables. Where what Loon is saying is called good debt, meaning he borrows money as a form of leverage, means he's borrowing other people's money, which is the bank's money, and converting that into something like Bitcoin. That is Loon's strategy. It's not a financial advice. And if it 3x, as what we anticipate, Bitcoin from the 30,000 going to 100,000, 3x his money, he's going to pay back that bank, and he will have that $60,000 free money within a few months.
But
Loon.
but it still involves some risk.
Yes.
It's not a foolproof plan,
right?
But it still got some risk. Maybe your money cannot recover for 6 months, where you have to still pay the money.
Right, and
those risks you have to bear.
Loon went through that path.
Yeah,
right, Loon? When you actually invested about close to $250,000 in Bitcoin, it was at the height of 30,000. 60,000.
It dropped to 30.
Dropped to 30. He lost 50%. So $250,000. He dropped 50%, but today we are back, coming to pre-COVID price, as you mentioned, and
so you must know, when I bought at 60, at 40, at 50, I sold everything. Then I buy at 30 again. Yeah, so it was a very big risk. I lost 50,000, 50K. Oh my god!
I mean, paper loss,
my
right?
wife, no, not
He
only
lost 5K itself. We were
I lost 50K.
We
My
lost
wife's
4K.
like, wow. My wife was like, wow, you can. I said, no, I'm no one. These are things you must know where is
Yes.
the bottom line and where you can tahan.
Right.
So from there, I bought at 30, and now at 40, I recover everything.
Yeah. So
Back to
you
my
made
pre
a
and then
loss
made some
at the
more.
top. You sold your losses. You came back at the bottom, and now you recovered back the first
Yeah.
initial loss. Now, from here on, it's really about
Profit.
you know,
It's all profit.
your profits and
right.
all.
And it's only a short term of 1 month. The crash was in June, right?
Right.
Dip was in really June. Yeah.
Right.
Now it's only August. Beginning of
I
August, so
wish
it's 1 month.
The 30K rate would have continued for another 3 months. I would have acquired more.
I mean, yeah. Look, Manish, I mean, that's life, you know. We are lucky. We are fortunate that we started early. I mean, thanks to you, Loon. You at the coffee shop told me about the crypto space. He introduced me to CoinHako. I started that journey. And at that time, I influenced Manish, and Manish went on a wild escapade because he suddenly started to go and invest in all the coins and telling me that he's making money. And then I started to learn, and then one thing led to another, and then here we are, and in the adoption phase, and we are making money. We have losses through scams, through hacking, but we have also made money more than the loss we actually acquired. So it was part of that journey. And then if you guys are watching us on Root Zones, you can see when we started our journey sometime in March. We are 70 videos away, so it's 70 days straight of showing the bear to the bull, you know, to the bull market. And I know with fact by the end of December this year, myself, Loon, and even some of our friends, our close friends, and Manish will be jumping for joy because the blockchain technology is not going away. We will be doing the Loon dance. That's for sure. But yeah, so these are things, and I'm you know, it was the journey that we came across, you know, like especially for Robert Kiyosaki's the philosophy that actually came, you know, at that time where it was our fathers. Actually, it's our fathers' time. They missed that boat. They missed that opportunities. Those knowledge actually kept with us for a very long time, and now, right now, new assets, new industry, we get to apply this. And if you look at all these NFTs that we are talking about, lending, staking, all these concepts are all based in the traditional markets, which adopted in the crypto. And with this philosophy, we are like now taking the pixel and going to the gold mine to mine actual gold. So
soon, once all the central banks come out of the CDC, once China roll out the digital yuan, full scale, you can see every country will follow. Everyone will do it. Right now, they are all researching it. They're saying, testing the system, how does it work, what program to use, all the app they're going to develop already. So right now it's still early. Okay, but don't FOMO, please don't FOMO.
Right.
Okay, and then
probably we missed out the
wisely,
Bitcoin, but we still have other coins, right?
Yeah,
we have
Bitcoin is
more
still on the
money.
way.
There's
We have
11,000
more.
over
So
coins.
I think we should not worry about but Bitcoin.
I'm taking out another job. I told you, I'm taking another job just to buy Bitcoin.
Yeah.
I'm taking another job
Loon,
just to
you are
DCA.
doing a statement came to mind. You are doing what you do now so that your future is taken care of. Because if you fast forward back in 10 or 20 years, I don't want to sit on the rocking chair regretting my life. I want to know that if I could have made the change 20 years back, going into the crypto space, learning as I go, falling down, standing up, taking risks, my life would have been totally so you are changing your financial destiny. So that's
a lot of
very
people ask
inspiring.
me, tell me, oh, very risky. Then I tell them, I'm talking to 20 plus year old, very risky Bitcoin. Then I say, you want to wait until when to take risks? When you're 80 years old? When you want to die, then you take risks.
No, some taxi driver uncle also told me, hey, it's very risky, ma. I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
So, it's like when you want to take risks, you only when you want to on your deathbed then take risks.
Yeah.
You take risks now so you can recover earlier, recover faster.
What risk people talking, man? I don't understand. At least try something.
Whatever risk, whatever their fear is. Risk is just another word for fear.
Exactly.
So, would you want to give in to your fear, or would you want to do something about it? No,
Every risk comes with a mitigation plan, no? So, need not
you
to worry.
invest correctly. If you don't sell, you invest in Bitcoin, things that doesn't depreciate. You just hold, and then you will recover one, just like what we
Yeah,
did.
you should have some cash that you can hold first.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's
of
the
course.
only thing. That's the only mantra I can say.
Right.
That's why
Like you lost
don't quit.
50K, you hold it, it recovered, right?
Yeah.
He sold. He took a loss. He let Bitcoin drop to the bottom. He came back in again with that money that he had, and Bitcoin climbed back up. He made back the 10,000 which he lost on the top, and now
50K.
50K lost on the top. He made back the 50,000 at the bottom, and now is the sky's the limit. So really very good investment mindset. Good discipline to cut losses, because not many people even fear to buy counting transaction. But yet Loon went in for the kill, cut his losses, came back at the bottom, and he's a successful
At some point
investor.
of time, I was trying that with the Dogecoin, and when it's gone down, right? I was trying
You
that.
must know where your at one
The same
point
formula I was trying to apply here in
I
the
have a
Doge.
lot of altcoins. Then at the point where I sell everything, I convert all to Bitcoin. I sell, then from there I just buy Bitcoin.
No, probably once the market will be up, right? We also have a lot of altcoins using that bot, right? That once it's converted, right? I will also either go with the BNB or
I will convert all my shit coins and all my altcoins into Bitcoin and Ethereum.
and BNB also we can hold it.
I'm holding 90% Bitcoin, Ethereum. And after that it's Ethereum. I think around 10%. No, I think 8%. Then the rest will be my VT, Cardano.
Yeah,
Cardano, VAT is also a
these are
premium
all
coin.
world-class coins.
World-class coin, and they have a world-class project. Their team is working day and night to make it and take that money to the moon.
Yeah, take it to the moon. And I like this saying, life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. So guys,
Wow, I like the posture, man.
yeah. Right. So that's where we are, that's at the time of this height of this new industry. So, if you're not taking that adventure, don't regret. Like what Loon saying, that when you are in your 80s, don't regret. So
Yeah.
Also, one more thing is that right now US is having a vote for the infrastructure bill, right?
yeah,
I mean,
Loon,
what's
tell us about that, Loon.
Yeah, there's one clause for cryptocurrencies. They want to actually tax crypto. So okay, you want to tax, fine, you pay the tax. We crypto holders just pay the tax. I said whatever, just pay tax. Okay, but they also including the what do you call it? Digital software developers. Okay, because they are raising money through crypto whatever. Right. So they want to tax them too. But they say that like this, right? If the developers are being taxed, where will they go? They'll leave. And then that's what is happening right now in the US. They're trying to push back, say that please exclude miners, software developers, and wallet developers, whatever services they provide.
I'm still a believer in tax, Loon. And for the simple reason is, I mean, the rich don't get taxed. We know that for a fact. And for normal investors, retailers like us, retail investors, we would most likely get. I mean, we are based in Singapore, so economic freedom is there. So thankfully, we are not taxed on capital appreciation. Of course, in other countries, the tax law are different. However, having said that, I think sometimes paying tax also helps enable the government to see how they can actually support this industry, because look at the percentage growth. I mean, it's a balance. That's what I'm seeing.
Yeah, but for software developers, they can just move. Nobody want to pay tax, right?
Yeah.
They are being forced to pay tax. But
Exactly.
if you move, the software developers move, that means your capital move, your human capital move. And I say, capital money follows talent. If you are not able to keep your talent, like what China is doing, all your money will lose one. Right now, China is killing their own human capital.
Right. And for all you know,
this is a very good one.
These talents will actually go to these countries, Loon.
Yeah.
Right.
Exactly.
To evade not say evade the tax law, but they are also
to more suitable surroundings, suitable conditions.
Correct.
Wow.
So I always remember P.T. Barnum used to say that the right location and the right vocation is the key to success. So if what you said, Loon, the talents bring the money, These are the countries that they may go in.
My
Right?
God.
Yeah.
So I don't know, but how long it's going to be the tax free, no?
Yeah, we won't know yet.
Because
Never mind lah, they pay tax, but it won't be a lot lah. It won't be a lot. Knowing Singapore government, right, they already have their ways to earn their own money. Alright,
Yep.
like what DBS Bank is doing.
Yep.
Right? Only for the rich that I can give. Okay, no. But you can see the latest earnings are wow, they reap so much OCBC lah, UOB, all rich, all earned for the past quarter. All improved. Why? They buy crypto lah. Very simple.
Yeah, crypto. And that
From
was
the-
what Michael's Saylor from MicroStrategy said, that his books just suddenly exponentially exploded by doing
Yeah.
nothing.
Exactly.
Right? He's a software company, so that's something.
just 4-letter word he executed. Hodl.
Hodl. Yeah,
Hodl.
hodl. That's
Just
all.
4-letter word he executed.
Look at
And
this
that
shit.
hodl worked.
Lawrence is saying Australia already started to tax and we need to declare.
Oh.
Lawrence, can you share with us a bit? It started to tax. You mean capital appreciation from traditional financial markets or cryptocurrencies? Do share in the comment section so at least
I think it's both. Most
I
probably
think crypto is also.
is when you sell.
India started
whatever
taxing by considering crypto as a digital goods.
Wow. Digital goods. Because they haven't converted that by law as a financial asset.
Yes.
That's why it
so
goes under
as of
digital
now, there is
goods.
no law for this crypto. So they, for the meantime, they are charging as a digital goods.
Lawrence from Australia, he's saying, yeah, crypto specifically. So seems Australia is going to tax on the crypto space too. I guess maybe they will incentivize if you are a corporate company and similar to those companies in the US and you hold in your books cryptocurrency, you might be able to have tax rebates on losses as well as if you make capital gains and redistribute that into where the company where the tax laws wants you to go, you might be able to kind of not really have to pay for tax. There are, but again, the tax law are different for each country, so you have to do your own research.
It's okay lah. Tax give the money.
Yeah lah,
Just
it's
like
fine.
we do
It's fine. I
treasury,
mean,
give the
I'm,
money.
yeah, I'm in a first world country. I have good stable internet, a shelter on my head, food on the table. You know, survivability. We have actually crossed the survivability.
And drink in a glass also. no?
Drink whiskey on the rocks. You know, and being able to channel that money, you know, and we are not as bad as the
Single
US,
malt in the on the rocks.
right?
All have it.
We are
So
very
channel that
blessed.
money.
We're very blessed to be in this country, in Singapore.
Yeah,
We are
totally
far
agree.
away from war, far away from natural disasters.
And I have my morning protein also, so I'm fine.
we
Yeah.
have access to everything under
Yes,
the internet.
accessibility.
Right, so make good use of what we have here. Yeah, if people in China is not so lucky, you know how many people died in the floods? No one knows.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I seen
Tough.
the floods, right?
It's quite sad, Loon, because they had all the resources. I mean, there was a TED TV that I saw.
But definitely their resources will not move, right? Do you think that their resources, the actual miners will move to US?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
No,
Why they will leave their
You know why?
friendly
Because
countries, the language friendly countries, and
It's
go
not about
somewhere?
language. It's about personal property. Imagine in China, it's not yours, no. You know what's communist in Chinese? It's called 共产党. You know what's 共产? It means everybody's property.
Oh,
It means nothing belongs to you. All belongs to the state.
So they are moving away. I guess not
Everybody's
for the
moving.
wealth, but at least they want to have something that they can call their own, but it's being taken away.
Imagine I imagine you lah, a software engineer. Okay, you work your ass off to buy your mining machine. You earn money, then you expand. You build a whole warehouse worth of 13,000 miners. Within 1 week, you say no more mining. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, it's painful. It's painful. It's painful.
You
The law
you
does not
work so
foster
hard for it,
talents,
you know.
creativity, entrepreneurship. The law fosters dictatorship and basically just say
Look
when
at-
they want to change it, they change it overnight.
Look at Didi. Didi just want to expand to US market. Sell shares only, get more money. China say no. What can you do?
Yeah.
It's just very, very difficult.
Right.
Yeah. That's why I'm very I feel very compassionate because I'm a Chinese.
Yeah. Empathize. We empathize with them, and I
you
mean
work so hard. The Chinese people are one of the hardest working people. They work really through shit to achieve whatever.
Right. They can build a hospital in a few days. I mean that's the kind of power that they have to do.
Yeah.
So I guess, thanks Loon for joining us. I think that's all the time we have today. Again, it's really informative. Always glad to have you on the show. Guys, do join us again, same time, same channel. That's all we have. Happy Saturday.
Anytime when you get a chance to watch this video, and if you have any further questions, please let us know.
Take care, guys.
Take care.